Have you ever noticed how, after turning 60, your legs don't move quite the way they used to? You push yourself up from the chair using your hands. Climbing stairs suddenly feels like lifting weights. And sometimes, while walking across the living room, you catch yourself wobbling for a moment, unsure of your balance. Most people shrug and tell themselves, that's just part of getting older. But that's not the full truth. What's really happening is something medical experts call sarcopenia, a gradual silent loss of muscle strength that begins around the age of 60. It sneaks up on you quietly. There's no pain, no swelling, no obvious warning signs. You simply start feeling weaker, slower, and less stable. But here's what most seniors don't know. This weakness isn't permanent. You can restore the strength in your legs, improve your balance, and move freely again without heavy workouts or expensive therapy sessions. The secret lies in giving your body back 3 essential nutrients it's been missing for years: vitamin D3, vitamin B12, and vitamin B1. And when you combine these 3 correctly, your legs, your nerves, and your energy start working together again, just like they did decades ago. Let me tell you the story of one man who proved this to be true. His name is David Turner, a 69-year-old retired mechanic from Portland, Oregon. David had always been strong, the kind of man who could lift heavy tools, fix anything around the house, and still go fishing on weekends. But after his retirement, he noticed something wasn't right. His legs began to feel heavier. He found himself needing to grab the armrest to get up from his recliner. Climbing stairs made his thighs burn after just a few steps. The final straw came one day when he was out with his grandson in the backyard. The boy tossed him a ball, and when David bent down to pick it up, he lost his balance and fell sideways. It wasn't a hard fall, but it shook him deeply. He told his wife later, "I felt like my body betrayed me." When he visited his doctor, he was told what many seniors hear: "You're getting older. Slow down a bit." But David wasn't ready to give up his independence. He had spent his whole life fixing broken machines, and now he wanted to fix himself. That night, he sat at his computer and began searching for answers. That's when he stumbled upon research explaining how, after 60, our bodies absorb fewer vitamins, especially vitamin D3, B12, and B1, which are critical for leg strength, nerve communication, and muscle energy. Curious, David began reading deeper. He discovered that vitamin D3 acts like a master key in the body, unlocking the systems that keep muscles firm and responsive. Without it, muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and balance starts to fade. Studies from the University of Birmingham showed that seniors who took just 800 IU of vitamin D3 daily improved their leg strength by nearly 20% in under a week. Another study by Harvard University revealed that older adults with low D3 levels were 40% more likely to fall or be hospitalized. As we age, our skin produces less vitamin D3 from sunlight, our liver and kidneys convert less of it, and we spend less time outdoors. This creates a silent deficiency that leads to fragile bones, slow movements, and unstable legs. David realized that this was likely happening to him too, so he decided to make a change. Every morning, right after breakfast, he started taking one 1,000 IU capsule of vitamin D3 with a small meal that included healthy fats, usually eggs or a bit of yogurt with olive oil, because D3 absorbs best with fat. Within the first week, he noticed his mornings felt easier. His legs weren't as stiff when he got up, and he didn't need to grab furniture for balance. He said it felt like his muscles were waking up after a long sleep. But David didn't stop there. The more he read, the more he learned that D3 was just one part of the puzzle. He soon found out that vitamin B12 was equally important, especially for seniors, because it controls the communication between the brain and the muscles. B12 keeps the nerves that run through your legs and feet healthy and responsive. Without enough B12, your brain's messages don't travel smoothly to your muscles, and you might feel tingling, numbness, or a strange lack of coordination. Sometimes your legs feel disconnected, as if they're not listening to you. Studies from Oxford University have shown that adults over 65 with low B12 levels walk slower and are twice as likely to fall as those with healthy levels. The main reason for this deficiency? As we get older, our stomach produces less acid, making it harder to extract B12 from food. Common medications like acid reducers or metformin for diabetes make it even worse. When David looked at his diet, he realized he wasn't eating much red meat or fish anymore, both major sources of B12. He also took medication for heartburn, which blocked his absorption even further. So he started taking 1,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin, the active form of B12 that doesn't need to be converted by the liver and can be absorbed directly under the tongue. He took it at lunchtime, away from coffee or tea, since caffeine can interfere with absorption. Within 2 weeks, the difference was dramatic. The constant tingling in his feet faded. His legs felt lighter, steadier, and stronger. It's like someone reconnected the wires between my brain and my body, he said. He also noticed something unexpected. His energy improved, and so did his focus. B12 was giving his body back not just balance, but vitality. Finally, David learned about vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, the vitamin that fuels every muscle cell in the body. If D3 is the switch that activates strength and B12 is the wiring that sends signals, then B1 is the electricity that makes everything move. Thiamine helps your body convert food, especially carbohydrates, into energy, ATP. Without it, muscles lose their stamina and fatigue sets in quickly. Older adults are particularly vulnerable because their ability to absorb B1 declines, and medications such as diuretics or metformin can flush it out of the body. Even moderate alcohol intake can block its absorption. Research from Tokyo University found that seniors with low B1 levels had weaker legs, slower walking speed, and more frequent fatigue. But after just a week of supplementing with 100 milligrams of B1 daily, participants regained stamina and reported less heaviness in their legs. David started adding 100 milligrams thiamine capsule to his breakfast routine. Within days, he felt more energized. He no longer had to sit down halfway through small chores. Climbing stairs became manageable again. His wife noticed he was smiling more, moving faster, and even going for short walks after dinner, something he hadn't done in years. "It's like fuel for my body," he told her. After a month, David's transformation was undeniable. His balance returned, his confidence grew, and his fear of falling disappeared. The amazing part is that David didn't do anything extreme. He didn't join a gym or follow a complicated diet. All he did was correct what his body had been missing for years. 3 simple vitamins that are essential for strength, energy, and coordination. And when he went back to his doctor for a checkup, the results spoke for themselves. His leg strength was noticeably improved, his energy levels were higher, and his risk of falls had dropped significantly. The doctor called him a living example of what good nutrition can do. David simply smiled and said, "I just gave my body what it needed to do its job." You see, these 3 vitamins, D3, B12, and B1, are like a team working together to bring your body back to life. Vitamin D3 strengthens your muscles and bones, giving you the foundation. Vitamin B12 reconnects your nerves, restoring balance and coordination. Vitamin B1 provides the energy, the drive that keeps everything running. When they all work together, your body starts performing again the way it was meant to. Strong, balanced, and confident. If you're wondering how to start, here's what worked for David and what experts recommend for seniors. In the morning, take your vitamin D3 and B1 right after breakfast. Make sure your meal includes some healthy fats, eggs, yogurt, nuts, or avocado, because that helps D3 absorb better. Around lunchtime, take your vitamin B12 with water, not coffee or tea. This simple schedule ensures each vitamin is absorbed efficiently and used by your body exactly when it's needed most. Consistency is key. Do it every day, and you'll notice results within weeks. But remember, more isn't always better. Stick to the recommended doses. Taking too much vitamin D3, over 4,000 IU daily, can raise calcium levels too high, which could lead to kidney stones. While B12 and B1 are water-soluble and safe even in higher doses, it's still best to stay within sensible limits and talk to your doctor if you're on medication. The goal isn't to flood your system, it's to nourish it back to balance. David's journey didn't just give him back his legs, it gave him back his independence and his confidence. 6 months after starting, he was back to doing yard work, fishing with his grandson, and even teaching a small community class about senior health. "I spent my life fixing engines," he said, But this time, I learned how to fix my own. His story is proof that age doesn't have to mean weakness. It simply means your body needs a little more care, a little more awareness, and the right kind of support. So if you've been feeling unsteady, tired, or weaker lately, listen to your body. It's not giving up on you. It's asking you to give it the fuel it needs. Start by checking your vitamin levels. Talk to your doctor about adding these essential nutrients to your daily routine. Don't wait until weakness turns into dependency. You deserve to stand tall, to walk confidently, and to live each day feeling capable and alive. And as you take that first step, remember this. Strength doesn't vanish with age. It fades only when we stop nourishing it. Your body is still capable of healing, rebuilding, and thriving. Just like David, you can feel that spark of life again, the one that reminds you that you're not done yet, not by a long shot. You can rebuild your strength, restore your balance, and live your later years with the same power and pride you had decades ago. If this message inspired you, or if you know someone who needs to hear it, share it with them. Together, we can help more seniors regain their independence, one simple step at a time. And before you go, I want to leave you with this. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime of memories. It's time to give them the care they deserve, so they can carry you into the next chapter with confidence and grace. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to our channel, The Seniors Hub, where we share real stories, trusted health advice, and practical tips to help you stay stronger, longer, and full of life. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting right ahead. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep moving forward.